So, good day everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our MATHFLEX. So, for today, I want to share to you this story which was sent to me by one of my colleagues, I think a few weeks back. And I thought of sharing this story here in our channel because I find it very interesting. So, the story goes like this. So, there was this man who went to his favorite pizza restaurant and ordered his regular 9-inch pizza. So shortly after, the waiter approached him and told him that, "Sir, your 9-inch pizza is not available, so instead we are giving you 2-piece 5-inch pizza. So that means we are giving you an extra inch for free. So you have to pay only for the same price, this 2-piece pizza, same price with that of your 9-inch pizza." Okay? So the man who knows his math very well was flabbergasted and told the waiter that, "Okay, I need you and your manager to come here and explain to you why I am not compensated or compensated with your offer of 2-piece 5-inch pizza." So a few minutes after, the waiter together with his manager went to the man, and the man explained to them that why he is not compensated with this 2-piece 5-inch pizza. So he shown his calculation, his mathematical calculation by this way. So as we all know that the area of the circle is pi d squared over 4, or in terms of the radius, this is pi r squared. So for this particular case, we are given the diameter, so we can simply plug in the diameter, which is 9 squared over 4. So calculating the area of his favorite 9-inch pizza, that will give us around 63.58 inch squared. Okay, so this is the total area. And then also he calculated the area of a single piece 5-inch pizza, so it will be like pi 5 squared over 4. So that will be 5 times 5 times pi. So divided by 4, so that means this is 19.62 inch squared. But they will give him a 2-piece, so multiplied by 2, so will give us around 39.25 inch squared. So the man showed him his calculation, and based on the area, so the man told them that for my 9-inch pizza, so I will be getting around 63.58 inches squared total area, while for your offer, I will only be given, or I will only receive around 39.25 inch squared. So the manager was very apologetic and told the man that, "Okay, sir, we're very sorry. So instead of 2-piece 5-inch pizza, we are giving you 4-piece. Okay? So that's a short story, and I guess this is one of the instances wherein we can use our math in our daily dealings. So we have to use our math wisely, so we can apply also our math in ordering pizza in our daily lives in general. Okay? So again, thank you for watching, and of course, please don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe. Share also. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.